Hello everybody. Today we're going to do the sound. Are you ready? What sound are we doing? Good. The sound. Let's have a look in your bag. What have you got here? A pan. Pan. Good. It's the pan. It starts with the sound, doesn't it? Good. What can you see now? A pig. Good. We have a pig. What do you have here? You don't know? It's a penguin. You try. Penguin. Penguin. Good. The penguin. We're going to put the penguin on the sound. Oh, I've got something here. Do you know what this is? It's a pine cone. Your turn. Pine cone. Pine cone. Good, that goes on the trees. It falls down on the floor in autumn. Pine cone. Good. And I think you know what this one is, Max. What's this one? Paintbrush. I can see a paintbrush. Paintbrush. Good. So we've got the pan, the penguin, the pine cone, the pig, and the paintbrush. Are you ready, Max? Which one would you like first? I have a tig. I have a thing. Is it a tig? No, it's a pig. Pig. Good. The pig. Put that down there. What would you like next? Oh, your favourite. What's this one? A paintbrush. Good. You got the sound. Paintbrush. Good. I'm going to put that one over there as well. Ooh. What have you got now, Max? A tan. Not a tan. Have another go. Remember we're doing the sound. Pan. Pan. Good, the pan. Ooh. What's this one called? Can you remember? A penguin. Good, the penguin. You remembered the sound. Ooh. One more, Max. What's this one? You remember? It's a pine cone. Pine cone. Good. Pine cone. Well done. Good. Have we finished?